What's up guys, I'm Zain and today I'm going to show you how to disable YouTube Shorts. Now when you open your YouTube application on your phone, once you are in the home page, when you scroll down a little bit, you will find that you will see here many shorts in the shorts section. So what you should do is to simply click on these three dots right here and click on not interest. Then do this for all the videos that you get into this section. Go up, reload the page, and now when you scroll down, you will find out that you still have some shorts. You can simply do the same action till you find out that when you're scrolling down, you do not have more shorts. Go back again and try to reload the page, and now once you reload it, you will not find more shorts, as you can see. Now let's check if this is working actually or not. You can simply go back and try to close the YouTube from your phone. Then now open it again and see if the shorts section has been removed or not. And I know all of you guys have been addicted to this section of shorts. And actually, this is a very effective method in order to remove the shorts from the home page at least. So now here, as you can see, I have been scrolling for a while and now I have no shorts section in my home page. And that is it. This is how you can actually disable YouTube shorts from the home page. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe, comment, share, and see you in a new video.